If you're looking for a drone that gives you that premium flying experience without making things overly complicated, the Holy Stone HS900 is definitely worth a look. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Drone Dominator. Today, we're checking out the Holy Stone HS900, a drone built for people who want smooth flights, solid aerial footage, and an easy-to-use experience. Right away, the HS900 has a pretty clean and modern design. It feels like a drone you can actually take with you instead of something that's only meant to sit on a shelf. But the real question is, how does it perform in the air? Once it takes off, the HS900 feels smooth and controlled. Whether you're flying over an open field, following a road, or getting a wide shot of a beautiful landscape, it gives you plenty of room to get creative. And that's where this drone gets interesting. You can start with a simple takeoff, move into a slow cinematic shot, and then pull back to reveal the entire scene. Those are the kinds of shots that can instantly make a regular video feel much more professional. The camera is another big part of the experience. For travel videos, outdoor content, or just capturing places from a completely different perspective, the HS900 gives you a much more exciting way to tell a story. And honestly, that's what I like about drones like this. You don't need to be a professional filmmaker to get started. You just need a good location, a little practice, and some creative ideas. So, is the Holy Stone HS900 worth checking out? If you want a capable camera drone with a modern design and a straightforward flying experience, the HS900 deserves a spot on your list. And if you want more real-world drone reviews, comparisons, and the latest aerial tech, make sure you're subscribed to Drone Dominator. I'll see you in the next one.